Good morning, children. Welcome to today's session. I hope you all are fine. I am Jennifer ma'am. In your previous sessions, you have learnt the consonant blends BL, blur, CL, clur, FL, fleur, GL, glur, and SL, slur. Children, please repeat after me. BL, blur, CL, clur, FL, fleur, GL, glur, and SL, slur. You also learned the words related to each of these blends. So before we go ahead, we will first revise the SL words which you had learnt in the previous session.
SL words: slur, sleep. SLEEP, sleep. Slur, slide. SLIDE, slide. Slur, slice. SLICE, slice. Slur, slope. SLOPE, slope. Slur, slant. SLANT, slant.
So today we are going to learn a new blend, BR. In the letters B, B, and R, R. Together you get br. Br. Children, please repeat after me. Br. Br. So today we are going to learn about BR words. Now children, I will show you some words with pictures that will help you to understand the BR words better. Our first BR word is brick. Brick. BRICK, brick. A brick is something used to build a house. It is a building material. It is made out of mud and is rectangular in shape. ब्रिक को हिंदी में ईंट कहते हैं. Here is the picture of a broom. Broom. BROOM, broom. A broom is used to clean mainly the floor. It is generally long. Each of you will surely have a broom in your house. Broom को हिंदी में झाड़ू कहते हैं. Now we have the picture of a brush. Brush. BRUSH, brush. There are different types of brushes, but the brush that we see in the picture here is a painter's brush. A painter uses the brush to paint the walls of your house and make it look beautiful. ब्रश को हिंदी में ब्रश ही कहते हैं. Children, What do you see in the picture? This is the picture of a brain. Br-A-N, brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. A brain is an important part of our body and is in our head, as seen in the picture. It helps us to think and understand. ब्रेन को हिंदी में दिमाग कहते हैं. Our last BR word for today is brown. Br-au-n, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. What is brown? Brown is a color, as seen on the screen. Bonvita and chocolates are usually brown in color. Brown को हिंदी में भूरा कहते हैं. Now that you are familiar with the BR words, let us write it.
Children, please open your English notebook. We will now begin with writing the date first on the top left-hand corner of the page in the margin. So we will write today's date 7-8-2-0-20. Now we will leave 2 finger space and write the title BR words on the same line outside the margin. 2 finger space, B R, 1 finger space, W O R D S, words. BR, words. I will now draw 3 lines. The first line, the second line, the third line. Children, in the previous sessions, you all have been drawing the lines with the help of your mummy. But now, it will be nice if you all start drawing lines on your own. So children, are you all ready? The first word, close to the margin, br-ik, brick. B-R-I-C-K, brick. Start from the red line, come down to the blue line, go up and curve blue line to blue line. B, down, up and curve blue line to blue line. R, down and a dot. I, blue line to blue line, curve. C, from the red line you come down. From the center, you go out to the blue line, leave a little space and come down to the blue line. K. B-R-I-C-K, brick. A brick is a building material used to build a house. Brick का मतलब ईंट. The next word, broom, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. From the red line, you come down, you go up and curve blue line to blue line. B, down, up and curve. R, make a circle, blue line to blue line. O, O, down, up, curve and down, up, curve and down. M. B-R-O-O-M, broom. A broom is used to clean mainly the floor. Broom का मतलब झाड़ू. The next word, brush, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. From the red line, you come down to the blue line. You go up, curve, blue line to blue line. B, down, up and curve. R, down, you curve, you go up and you come down. Blue line to blue line. U, curve and a reverse curve. Blue line to blue line. S. From the red line, you come down to the blue line. You go up, you curve and again you come down. H. B-R-U-S-H, brush. A painter uses the brush to paint the walls of your house. Children, I hope you are writing along with me. The next word, brain, brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. From the red line, you come down, you go up and you curve. B, down, up and curve. Blue line to blue line. R, curve around, up and down. Blue line to blue line. A, down and a dot. I, down, up, curve and down. N, B-R-A-I-N, brain. A brain is an important part of our body and is in our head. Brain का मतलब दिमाग. The last word, brown, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. From the red line, you come down, you go up and you curve. B, down, up and curve. Blue line to blue line. R, O, blue line to blue line. Down, up, down and up. Blue line to blue line. W, down, up and curve and down. N, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown is a color. Brown का मतलब भूरा. So let us revise the BR words once again. Brick, brick. B-R-I-C-K, brick. Broom, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Brush, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Brain, brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Brown, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Children, do read each word twice and write the same set of BR words in the remaining 3 columns.
Children, I hope you have understood the BR words. Please don't forget to practice the words along with the other blends you have learned so far. Bye-bye, children.